In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods on your Wix website to get your online store up and running smoothly. First things first, open your favorite web browser. In this case, we're using Google Chrome because it's one of the most widely used, and it's especially known for its compatibility with online platforms like Wix. Once you have Chrome open, log into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your home base for managing your website and making adjustments to all sorts of settings. Now that you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings option in your site's menu. You'll find this typically on the left-hand side of the dashboard interface. Click on it, and it will open up a new array of options that you can tweak. From here, scroll down until you reach Accept Payments. This section is crucial for your online store because it's where you'll manage how customers can pay for your products or services. Within the Accept Payments section, you'll find a list of available payment providers. Wix presents you with several options, making it convenient to select what best suits your needs. You have choices like Wix Payments, which is the in-house option, and popular alternatives like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Each provider has its own benefits and constraints depending on the nature of your business and your geographical location. Once you decide on a payment provider, the next step is to connect and configure it. To do this, follow the on-screen prompts. If you choose PayPal, for example, you'll need to log into your PayPal account and give necessary permissions for it to integrate seamlessly with your Wix store. If you opt for Stripe or Square, the process will be quite similar. It may require you to input account details or verify your identity to enable a secure and smooth connection. After you've connected a payment method, it's important to set your currencies and adjust other payment settings to align with your business needs. This may include specifying the currencies you'll accept, setting transaction fees, and possibly even configuring tax settings, depending on your regional requirements or business model. Pay attention to exchange rates and ensure that your pricing structures are clear to your customers. Once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that none of your hard work setting payment methods is lost. Finally, after saving, you should publish your site. By doing this, you make all these new changes live, ensuring your customers can now enjoy a variety of payment options while shopping at your online store. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up payment methods on your Wix website. By following these steps, you're well on your way to providing your customers with a seamless, secure shopping experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Wix's support resources, which offer more in-depth help and guidance.